Hello, I'm Bella. This time we will draw a scary Halloween house. Are you ready? Okay, make a baseline and make a line for the walls of the house. Next, make the roof of the house by adding a triangular line above the walls of the house. Let's beautify the Halloween house by adding window and door lines. Wow, her picture is very beautiful. Next we add bats and a house fence. Wow, very beautiful. Next, let's add image details to beautify our image. Cool, our picture has become beautiful. Let's give a touch of color to our image. Black. Black. Blue. Orange.